Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to use the clear formatting option on your presentation Microsoft Office PowerPoint. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. So how to use clear formatting option on your Microsoft PowerPoint, I'm just going to show in this video because it's an important thing that you want to know how to clear formatting and what is the clear formatting. So first of all, I just selected this format option here. So I just going to change the style of the font, like a different font like this. I'm just going to change the font style first of all. So we can choose this. Okay, and I just resize the text like 72, and here I just going to apply color and also highlight the text, making the strike through, selecting this, making the strike through, and also underline, italic, bold, everything I has been applied everything. I just want to resume to the original font that already first of all I will typed. I just want to remove all the formatting option that we applied, color, highlighter, everything. Just want to remove at a single click. So this is can be done by using select the thing that you want to clear format, and now you just click on this. So you just need to click on this clear formatting option on the top. You can see the eraser button. Just click this, automatically everything will be erased and it will come to the original portion without doing everything off, just clicking on here one click. So I think this video helped you a lot, and I like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.